Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes upload photos to Instagram from computer, post on Instagram from PC or laptop. Log in with your username and password. Right-click mouse button, click Inspect. Click Device toolbar. Click Show Media Queries. Also, you can change the device. Press Ctrl F5 key. Click the plus button, browse your image. Share the post. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.